in three variables using matrices. Consider three equations of the type a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus b2z is equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. Let us learn how to solve these three equations using matrices. As usual, write the matrix A. It is the matrix of coefficients. There is x, variable x, and its coefficients are a1, a2, a3. Right? First column a1, a2, a3. Second column coefficient of y is b1, b2, b3. And third column is the coefficient of z, c1, c2 and c3. So this is the matrix A, matrix of coefficients. Now matrix X. It is the matrix, column matrix of variables. There are only three variables x, y and z. So column matrix of x, y, z. And the matrix B. It is once again a column matrix of constants on right sides. D1, D2, D3. Using these three equations, using these three matrices, we can write these equations in matrix form as Ax is equal to B. Now, pre-multiply this equation by A inverse, we get A inverse into Ax is equal to A inverse into B. So A inverse A into X is equal to A inverse B. This is the multiplication I into X is equal to A inverse B. Now we know that I into X, it is X. So X is equal to A inverse into B. Call this as equation 1. This is the final matrix equation using which we can calculate the matrix X, that is the values of X, Y and Z. So let us take one example. Consider the three equations as x plus y plus z is equal to 6, 3x minus y plus 3z is equal to 10, 5x plus 5y minus 4z is equal to 3. Now let us solve these three equations using matrices. What is the first step? Let us write the equation in the matrix form as Ax is equal to B. See, write your solution, the word solution here. Ax is equal to B. So what is the matrix A now? It is the matrix of coefficients. What are the coefficients of X? 1, 3, 5. First one, 1, 3, 5. Second column, coefficients of Y, 1, minus 1, 5. 1, minus 1, 5. And third column, coefficients of Z, 1, 3, minus 1, 3, minus. Into matrix X, it is the matrix of variables x, y, z, x, y, z, x, y, z. Write it as column matrix is equal to, on the right side there is a matrix B, which is a column matrix of the constants 6, 10, 3. Now, what is A here? See, this is the matrix A, x, x, y, z, B, column matrix 6, 10, 3. Now, let us work on the matrix A. So, what is A here? Now, A is equal to 1, 1, 1, 3 minus 1, 3, 5, 5 minus 1. Let us calculate its determinant. So determinant A is equal to, how to find determinant? So 1 into minus 4 plus 4 minus 5 into 3 15 minus 1 into, change the sign, 3 into minus 4 minus 12 minus 5 into 3 15 plus this 1 into 3 into 5 15 minus 5 into minus 1 minus 5 minus 5 is plus 5. So finally what we get, value of determinant A. So 1 into, what is 4 minus 15? It is minus 11. Minus 1 into minus 12 minus 15 minus 27. 1 into 15 plus 5, it is 20. So finally minus 11 plus 27 plus 20. So we get 20 plus 27, 47 minus 11, it is 36, which is not equal to 0. Therefore the matrix A is non-singular, hence its must exist. So determinant A has value 36. Now let us find its adjoint. Now adjoint A is equal to, see how to find adjoint of a matrix by shortcut method. Write first column, first row 1 1 1, second 3 minus 1 3, 5 minus 4. Write this first column as fourth column, write second column as fifth column. Now write first row of 5 elements as fourth row, write second row of 5 elements as fifth row. Now delete, see here once again, write the matrix as it is, this one. Write first column 1 3 5 as fourth column, write second column 1 minus 1 5 as fifth column. Now write first row containing 5 elements as fourth row, write second row as fifth row. Delete first column, first row containing 5 elements. Now calculate column wise, and write row wise. See here, first consider these 4 elements, minus 1 3 5 minus 4, minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4 minus 5 into 3 15, 4 minus 15, it is minus A1, write it here, minus A1. Next, or you can write here, adjoint A, right here, see, once again adjoint A is equal to, if it is not visible, that is 4 minus 15, it is minus 11. 5 into 1, 5 minus 4, 5 plus 4, 9. Second element. 1 into 3, 3, minus 1 into minus 1, 3 minus 4, 3 plus 1, 4. See, calculate column wise, write row wise. Now consider these two columns. 3 into 5, 15, minus 3 into minus 4, minus 12, 15 minus 12, 15 plus 12 is 27. Minus 4 into 1, minus 4, 5 into 1, 5, minus 4, minus 5, it is minus 9. 1 into 3, 3, minus 3 into 1, 3, 3 minus 3, it is 0. Then these two columns, 3 into 5, 15, minus 5 into minus 1, minus 5, 15 minus 5, 15 plus 5, it is 20. 5 into 1, 5, minus 5 into 1, 5, 5 minus 5, it is 0. 1 into minus 1, minus 3 into 1, 3, minus 1, minus 3 is minus 4. See, this is how we calculated adjoint of this matrix. Now, we have found determinant, it is 36. Determinant A 36. Determinant A is equal to 36. Adjoint is this one. Now, what is the formula of A inverse? Therefore, A inverse is equal to formula as usual 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A. So is equal to 1 upon, what is the determinant? It is 36. So 1 upon 36 times. What is the adjoint? Minus 11, 9, 4, 27 minus 9, 0, 20, 0 minus 4. So 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A gives us inverse of the matrix. This is our inverse. Now, what is the equation 1 that we have written in the previous introduction? Now, what is the equation of finding x? So x is equal to A inverse into B. Remember this equation always while finding solutions of the three linear equations in three variables by matrix method. Now, is equal to, what is A inverse? See here, 1 upon 36 times minus 11, 9, 4. 27 minus 9, 0. 20, 0 minus 4. Into B. What is capital B? Capital B is the, see this is of the form A is equal to B. Equation matrix A, matrix X, matrix B, 6, 10, 3. So it is into 6, 10, 3. What we need here is we need matrix multiplication clearly. See here, minus 11 into 6, minus 66, plus 9 into 10, 90, plus 4 into 3, 12. First row into column. Second row into column. 27 into 6. So it is 162. Minus 9 into 10, minus 90. Plus 0 into 3, it is 0. Second column, second row column. Third row column, 20 into 6, it is 120. Plus 0 into 10, it is 0. Minus 1 into 3, it is minus 12. So now, one upon 36 times. See, 90 minus, see it is 24. 24 plus 12, it is 36. 162 minus 90, it is, see, it is 72. 120 plus 0 minus 12, it is 108. Now what is our left side? It is the matrix X, capital X. Now what is capital X? It is the matrix of variables. See here, X, Y, Z. So X, Y, Z is equal to, see there is a 36 upon outside the matrix. So divide every element of matrix by 36. So what we get? Inside 36 upon 36, 72 upon 36, 108 upon 36. So finally it is 36 by 36 is 1, 72 upon 36 is 2, 108 by 36 is 3. 36 में 36 एक सवाल तो 36 में 72, 36 एक 108. So 1, 2, 3. Now, by equality of these two matrices, what do we get? See, by equality of matrices, what we get? आपण सहज सांगू शकतो. X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 2, and Z is equal to 3. Okay? X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 2, and Z is equal to 3. So this is the method of finding solutions of three linear equations in three variables using matrices. So this is the inversion method. Inversion method. In which this equation is very important. X is equal to A inverse into B. Let us verify whether these solutions are correct or not. So what is x? 1, 1, 2, z 3. Let us tally in any one of the equations. X is 1 plus y is 2, 1 plus 2, 3 plus z is 3, 3 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3. What do we get? 6. Next, x is 1, 3 into 1, 3, y is 2, 3 minus 2, it is 1, plus 3 into z, it is 3 into 3, 9, 3 minus 2 plus 9. So it is 1 plus 9, it is 10. It is correct. In the last equation, 5 into 1, 5 plus 5 into 2, 10. 5 plus 10, 15 minus 4 into 3, 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. So therefore, these values of x, y and z satisfy all these three equations. Therefore, we have verified that these are the solutions of